Let's say you start saving $100 every single week. That's about $14 a day, less than 2 takeout meals or a single night at the bar. After 1 year, you've saved $5,200. Feels good, right? But here's where most people stop, and that's the mistake. Year 2, another $5,200. Now you have $10,400 total. Still just sitting in cash, still losing value to inflation. But what if you invested that money instead? Let's look at the S&P 500's average historical return, about 10% per year. Year 1 with investing, you save $5,200, and the market adds $520. Total, $5,720. That's a free $520 for doing nothing. Year 2, you add another $5,200. But now your first year's money is also growing. Compounding starts working. By the end of year 5, you've deposited $26,000 of your own money. But with compounding at 10%, your account reads $33,578. That's $7,578 in free growth, pure passive income, just for starting early and staying consistent. Now let's stretch it to 10 years. Same $100 a week, same 10% return. Your total? Over $88,000. You only deposited $52,000. Here's the mind-blowing part. At year 20, that same $100 a week grows to over $330,000. You deposited $104,000. The market gave you $226,000. The difference between the saver and the investor isn't how much they earn, it's how long they let compounding work. Start today, even $20 a week, even $10. Time is the only thing you can't buy back, and compounding rewards the patient.